Mnemonics Strategy Presentation by Jayohndra Price. What is a mnemonic device? A mnemonic device is a visual and linguistic strategy that helps a person recall and use learned information for future reference. Mnemonics can be used to remember items, sets of information, procedures, and ideas expressed in text. Mnemonics range from simple and easy to learn techniques to complex systems requiring prior knowledge and practice. How and why are mnemonic devices used for learning instruction? Mnemonic devices are used to guide students in retaining multitudes of information, such as names, facts, dates, number groupings, vocabulary definitions, sequences of events, names of the 50 United States, etc. Formats of mnemonic devices for these topics include abbreviations, word exchange to relate and memorize words, songs, and more. After any student learns mnemonic devices and how to create one, they can create their own mnemonic device in any content area and harness it for learning. How to create a mnemonic device. Firstly, research and learn mnemonic devices to become familiar with their key features and tendencies. When content area topics can be organized together, we can practice retaining their information with a mnemonic device by relating a topic word with a common language word. From there, we may create mnemonic devices in phrases, procedures, acronyms, and more. Presented here is a general model of a mnemonic device. How can teachers adapt a mnemonic instructional strategy to particular grade levels? To adapt a mnemonic device instructional strategy to be grade level appropriate, teachers may use easier formats of mnemonic devices for kindergarten through 8th grade level students. For 9th through 12th grade level students, teachers may offer more detailed, more extensive formats of mnemonic devices to challenge and expand their learning. Some easier format mnemonic devices, such as acronyms, may be learned as early as elementary school age. However, they continue to help us retain information throughout grade school and into adulthood. For example, the mnemonic device Roy G. Biv helps us remember the color order of the rainbow. I created my own mnemonic device, abbreviated state name Maryland, to remember the spelling of mnemonic device begins with the letter M and not the letter N. Other familiar elementary school mnemonic devices are Never Eat Soggy Waffles, which represents north, east, south, and west, helping us remember where directions are on a compass and map, and My Very Educated Mother Just Served Us Noodles, which helps us remember the fastest to slowest moving planet. Middle school mnemonic devices. Examples of a middle school level mnemonic device is PEMDAS, which is an abbreviation for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, that represents our order of operations used in middle school and upper level math. Another middle school level mnemonic device is Father Charles Goes Down and Ends Battle, and the reverse Battle Ends and Down Goes Charles' Father, which helps us recall the order of sharps and flats in music. The order of flats is always the reverse of the order of sharps, and vice versa. High school mnemonic devices. In high school level math, the mnemonic device SOHCAHTOA can be used to remember the formulas for sine, cosine, and tangent, which are sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Appeal for using the mnemonic device instructional strategy. The more practice with mnemonic devices, the easier and more fun creating them will become. Whether the mnemonic device we create are simple or complex, we can share them with each other to establish systems for learning and application from reading.